Electronic urinal set 0374. Installation instructions. Mount the set on the wall respecting the installation mark. Remove the protective cover. The water input is located on the top of the box. The water output is located on the bottom of the box. Adjust the size of the frame on the front of the box. Open the master key and adjust the output flow. Place the batteries in the battery pack and connect it to the power system. Connect the integrated sensor to the power system. Place front cover on and adjust it with the torque screws.